This is a very quick video just to get you started after you've received your link to your trial. The video will just explain how to do a to-do list in Blocworx. First thing you do is you log in and you'll see your empty home page because you've no modules or blocks or anything created left yet. There are a few things here on the left that you can access, like your module packages, admin, development, but what we'll do for now is just stick to creating our first module. From the home page, click switch to edit mode. And the first thing we'll do is we'll create what's called a section. A section can contain blocks, modules, links, more subpages inside the home page. We'll just call the section My Modules. Next, we will create a module. We'll just call it Our Tasks and Lists. Next, give it a category. Click Add Module. Now we go into our module and we have our list of blocks and sections. So there's more sections inside a module, but we don't need them for this. And we'll just create a block called To-Do List. We give it an icon. Let's just say bullet points. And there is no section, so we can just click Add straight away. Go to To-Do List. And immediately we can start building our block. First, you always have to create a row that's created, and then you have to create a containing element. The idea of that is that's where your fields can be stored. So we'll make it full width, and we'll change the size of this one to half the width, and we'll add another one, make it half the width again. And now we will create our first field, first input field. So when I hover over an element, I'll click Add Field. Our default option is a text field. You can close that out to see the rest of them. We'll just do a text field for now. We'll say task to do. Press submit. And we'll do one more field. So this time we're going to close it out and do a multi-button field. Let's call it status. And we would say done, not done. And we're going to click submit on that. And next we will go back to the block by clicking switch to front end, or we can navigate to the block by going home, our tasks and lists, to-do list, and you can see the block. So now we just need to add a few tasks. We'll just pretend these are home tasks. We'll say buy milk, not done. You can see the information getting added underneath there. We'll say take out bins, not done. Clean floors, not done. Finally, you can edit these records. So we click show edit links and filtering data, and you'll see the edit link inside. This can be turned on by default as well in the more advanced settings. And we'll change take out bins to done. And I'll close this, and we can now see that this is done. We'll do one final thing just to make it a small bit prettier, and we tidy it up a bit. Go back, switch to edit mode. Only the admin can see this, obviously. And we are going to change the color options that are available for the results. So we're going to say done is green, and not done is red. Finally, we might hide a few things, hide the user ID, hide the timestamp and data. We can also hide a few other things that are on the page that we don't need to be seeing. Untick the show counts area, untick the import options. So now when I go back to switch to front end, you can see down below we have our information here. I'll just do one other small check just to make it a bit easier to use. So go back to switch to edit mode. And what we're going to do is show the edit links by default. And that's in your data display settings. So now when I go back to the front end, you can edit it straight away. So now we'll edit this one and we'll say done. And there we are. That's a very big, basic, quick start for creating a to-do list. So I encourage you to try and do the same, and then you can start exploring our fields. Thanks very much. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to email us at info@blocworx.com. Cheers.